In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. You need to begin by hitting Settings and scrolling down to tap on Themes. Now click on Theme section at the bottom left corner and find a perfect theme for you. When you find it, click on it. Then choose Download at the bottom. Hit Apply and wait. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, access Themes again. Over here. And tap on Menu at the bottom right corner. Then select My Stuff at the top on the left. Click on Default Theme and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!